So we got this little map kind of thing that I was kind of doing some stuff with, and we got these different mesh roads here, which they were actually for the other track, the rock quarry. This is actually that track. I just renamed everything to be a new track name, and I can delete stuff in here. It don't matter. I can test stuff, and it won't screw nothing up. So this has just been kind of like a test level. But all these like roads were from the other track. At some point, maybe I stuck them in the ground because I didn't want to use them, and I ended up using the terrain instead of the. Maybe I started using something else instead of the mesh road. I started to actually drive on the ground itself, and or you know what I mean. So this one here, let's see what this one is. This is New Mesh Road 3. Now I'm gonna delete this on purpose. Well, actually, let me delete this one because I know it's in the other map. But I'm gonna delete it on this level. Mesh Road 6. There you go. You're gone. Now I'm gonna save my level. I'm gonna close my game. Now, where that track is at, that I just deleted it from is New Slice. That's the track name. It's really a slice of ground that I started to work with, like from Google. It's just a slice of ground, like a, you know. So anyway, in here in main and mission group, and let me back up. I might have went too quick. So you got your user folder, which is in the game's default location here. Users, you, app data, local, beam, and G drive, uh, current. Version 23. Go into the levels, and then you have your levels, your custom levels. You also see the game levels in here if you actually did anything to any of them and saved it. Like they'll pop up in here. They're normally a zip file in the game main folder, but it's a new slice. Then go to main and mission group, and at the bottom you should see items level .json. Open that up. Oh, let me close all this crap. Alright, everything's closed. Open this one up, and then go back to your folder. Now back up out of there and go into the level where you want the road to be copied from. And inside of there you go into main, missions group, and at the very bottom you'll see that items level. Open that one up. Now left click on this one and move it down to just anywhere in here, and let go of the button and say move to other view. Then it'll split the screen for you. So you got new slice over here, and then you got project 3 over here. Now next thing is find in here Mesh Road 6, which I know it's in there. You just go to search, find, there it is. Now what you want to do is select the whole line. What I do, I just start selecting both of them, so I can easily just release and get that whole thing, because you could copy it all if you want to wait till the screen goes all the way over. I just try to catch it all and just hit Control C, and in the other one over here I'll just find I guess a random place. It don't really make a difference. I'll just hit return, put a space, and then I'll hit Control V to paste it over, which I didn't paste anything, did it? I didn't have it copied. I didn't have it selected right. I'm going to select it. Get that whole line copied. I'll copy that too, just so I know I got it all. another space in there. Let me try this again. Control V. Okay, there we go. See, I got it in there. Now I can get rid of this extra. So I don't need that. That's from the other line. And back that up to there and save it. I'll close this. I don't need it open anymore. And load back that level. Making some rocks in the background. But for some reason it didn't downfin this sucker. I tell you what. It didn't finish. Had an error. Why did it have an error? Thought this would be a pretty rock. Well, I'll just go with the one that did work. I was trying to get the whole rock, the front and the back, make a model in the game. I've been making rocks the past few days. Some really detailed ones. But anyway, so that's loaded back. So I checked let's look at, there it is, New Mesh Road 6. I just double click on it to get to it, and as you can see, it is here. Where it was deleted, it is now returned. I was thinking it was a different track. I guess it was that one though. I mean, I didn't pay that much attention, but I guess that is it. But yeah, it should work like this with any of them from any track. Just remember where that track's at. It may be down here on one map, and you think when you get it in this one it's going to be, you know, up here for example. You know, I'm just saying you may have to go hunting for it. It may be underground when you get it in there. So I don't know anything else to say really, other than if it don't work, let me know. But I don't see why it wouldn't. Man, this is pretty simple to copy that. I mean, I did the same thing with the river. Actually, a few days ago, damn river disappeared on me. I had a backup of it though. I had to ask myself how to do it. I think it was Conus that told me, or Chuck. Can't remember who told me that now, how to copy that over. It was something I had, like, damn it, I don't want to remake, because rivers are a pain in the ass to make. I mean, they make them just like the mesh road, but the rivers, man, they got a mind of their own, I think. I didn't want to have to copy that thing all the way. I mean, I didn't want to have to remake that whole river. It took me a while to move all that stuff and get it all. It's just not lined up now, but it was. Man, it took a while to get that to the shape and everything that I wanted, and spent way too much time on that waterfall. I think the game was trying to do me a favor by deleting it, telling me to leave it alone. Go on and finish the track, do something different. Like one of them OCD people, man. They just get stuck doing something forever. Can't never escape. Like trapped in this cycle of endlessly tweaking the river. Yeah. When I'm dead and gone, they'll be around my tombstone saying, "Well, he didn't really ever do a whole lot, but he sure did make them rivers." He made a lot of them rivers, a lot of waterfalls. Tracks wasn't any good, but the waterfalls were great. Yeah, it'll be my legacy. Got some low polished trees here, kind of like them old arcade games. You drive by them and they just really just for background scenery. All right, I think I'm gonna quit rambling now and get back to what I was doing, making rocks.